So today we are going to discuss arrays in PHP. So basically what is array? As previously you read that an array is a collection of homogeneous data elements. Okay. But now we are going to discuss or we are going to learn what is array in PHP. Okay. So the first one is in PHP, arrays are called hashes. Okay. An array stores multiple value in one single variable. What it means, basically, first of all, the first line, which is very important, what it means that in PHP, arrays are called hashes. Okay. After that, arrays are store multiple values under a one single variable. What it means that you have a one single variable, and under that single variable you are going to store multiple values. Okay. After that, next thing is an array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. It means that is a kind of special variable. So it is being written a value, it hold more than value. So whenever we want to store more than one value in a variable at a time, at that time we are going to use array. So the first one is an array stores multiple values in one single variable. After that, next array is a special kind of variable that can hold more than one value, multiple values in an array at a single time. Okay. So this is called array. So in PHP, arrays are called hashes. It is used to store multiple values under a single variable. So after that, the next thing is types of arrays. So basically three types of arrays are available in the PHP. The first one is index array, second one is associative array, the third one is multi-dimensional array. So what indexed array? Arrays with a numeric index. The array which are come with or that contains numeric value or numeric index, that array is called indexed arrays. After that, the next one is associative arrays. So what is associative arrays? That of array in which we are going to use named keys. Okay, in which we are going to use named keys are called associative array. And the last one is multi-dimensional arrays. Arrays containing one or more arrays. That array that contain more than one array is called multi-dimensional array. But it means that the multi-dimensional array, we are going to store more than one array. That's why it is called multi-dimensional array. Okay. After that, so this is how you can create array in PHP. So first of all, in PHP, the array function is used to create an array. So basically, array function, this is array function that is used whenever you want to create an array in the PHP. Okay, so this is the syntax, this is name of the array, and this is the round braces. So because you know that whenever we are going to declare any function in any language, at that time we are going to use round braces. So same in the concept of PHP, whenever we are going to declare any function or any type of array, at that time we are going to use round braces. Okay. So this is how we are going to create an array in the PHP. After that, now we are going to discuss the indexed array with the help of an example. So basically, he says that there are two ways to create indexed array. What it means that there are basically two ways. With the help of that method, we are going to agree that index value are assigned to your array automatically. And you always know that the index of array or the index value is always start from 0. Okay. Your if you have any array, that array index value is always start from 0. And the first rule of the indexed array is the index or the value can be assigned automatically. And the next one is the index value always start at 0. Okay. So here we are going to create an array. So basically, you know that first you have to create variable. You know the syntax of creation of variable. First of all, you have to use the dollar sign. After that, the name of the variable, and after that the value which you want to pass to your variable. So here we are going to create a variable. Dollar car is the name of our variable, and after that this is assignment operator. Now this is a name of array. So here we are going to create an array with the name of array. Okay, array, and after that these are the value which we are going to pass. The first one is Volvo, which we pass in under the commas. Okay, so after that Volvo, BMW, Toyota. So this is how we are going to create an index array in the PHP. First of all, you have to create a variable. After that, you have to use assignment operator. After that, the next one is array. And then in the braces or in the round braces, the values which you want to pass your array. After that, or the index can be assigned manually. What it means that you can assign value or index value to automatically, or you can assign the value or manually. After that, here we see that dollar cars at the 0 index, the first value is Volvo, because we know that the array is always started from 0. So the index value of Volvo is 0. After that, dollar cars, and here the second value is BMW. BMW is at second location, but the index value of BMW is 1. And at last, the third value is Toyota. Dollar car, so second index value is Toyota. So these are the index value. So this is called index array. This is how you can create an indexed array. After that, the next thing is loop through an indexed array. What it means that you want to use loop for, here we are using for loop for assigning the value to the array. So first of all, because you know that in PHP we are using HTML, the PHP is embedded in the HTML. So first of all, so here we are going to discuss this section. First of all, less than question mark PHP. This is the syntax of array. Less than question mark PHP. PHP start from here and end at question mark greater than at here. Okay. So this is all about the PHP section. So here we are going to declare an array. So first of all, dollar class, this is the name of our variable. After that, assignment operator. After that, the next thing is array, the name of array, and in the round braces we are going to pass the value to our array. Okay. After that, the next thing is we are going to here create a variable. The name of the variable is ARR length. And after that, the next thing is equals to count dollar class. What it means that we are going to count all the variable or all the value which are declared under the class variable. After that, the next thing is we are going to run the loop. So here for, because first, so here we are going to assign the value dollar x equals to 0. After that, dollar x less than dollar ARR length, semicolon, dollar x plus plus. So because you know that the first of all in the for loop we have to assign the value. First of all, we have to assign or initialize the value. After then, the next one is we have to check the condition. So here the condition is checking dollar x less than ARR length. So here the condition will be checked, and at last the increment or decrement will be done. It is up to you that you want to increment the value one by one, or you want to decrement the value. So it is up to you. So here first of all we are assigning the value. So this is, here the condition will be checked, and at last the incrementation will be done. And at next we are using curly braces, and here we are using echo class x. What does mean? It means that we are using echo function, basically is used for print value or print something, है ना? Okay, echo is basically used for print. So here echo dollar class, and it is going to print all the value which are come under the x. So this is how we can use. And after that, echo break. What it means? It means that the next value will come in the next line, first value. After that, in the next value will come in the second line. So this is how we can use indexed array. After that, the next one is curly braces, and at last our PHP section will be closed. So this is how we can create an indexed array, and also with the help of loop. After that, the next one is associative array. Associative arrays are arrays that use name keys that you assign to them. We can associate them with each array elements in PHP using equals to or assignment operator greater than symbol. There are two types to create an associative array. So basically what he says that associative arrays are arrays that use the name keys. In this we are going to use name keys, not the index value. We are here using the named keys to assign the value. After that, the next thing is we are using equals to greater than symbol to assigning the key. So there are two ways to create an associative array. There are also two ways to create an index array, and also two ways to create an associative array. So the first one is $age equals to, so here we are going to declare the variable, and after that the next thing is we are using assignment operator, and the next one is we are using array. So this is the name of the array, and here we are passing the values to our array. Okay, so these are the value which we are passing to our array. So this is the keys. Okay, so this is the keys Peter, Ben, Joe. So these are the keys which we are using. After that, the next one is first method is, this is how we can create an array in a single line. And this is the second method in which we are going to declare or create the array in multiple line or in the separated line. After that, the next thing is $age and under the key, and here the value which you want to pass. After that, $age key and the value which you want to pass your array. At last, $age. So this is how we can declare the variable. Okay, so this is the concept. So with the help of that concept, we are creating an associative array. So now we are going to discuss with the help of loop how we can create index array or associative array. In previous slide, we have discussed how we declare index array with the help of loop. Now we are discuss how we are declare or use or run array associative array with the help of loop. So in this section or in this program, we are going to skip our HTML section, because you know that you can embed your HTML section with the PHP. So now we are going to discuss here with only the PHP section. So the first one is less than question mark PHP. So here our PHP will be started. After that, $age. So here we are going to declare a variable, and after that equals to array. This is the name of the array, and this is the value which we are going to pass, because you know that in associative array you are going to pass the value with the key. In associative array, the index is not used. In associative array, only the values with the keys are defined. So keys are very important in the associative array. This is the major difference or the main difference between the indexed array and associative array. Okay, so in indexed array you always use index, and the index are always started from 0, but in the associative array we are using keys, and the keys are which we are passing with the value. Okay, and the symbol of passing the key is equals to greater than. Now the next, here we are creating the array. The next thing is, now here we are using for loop for each. So here we are using for each loop. After that, $age as $x. So here our associative array symbol, and after that $x underscore value. So this is how we can use for each loop, because in PHP there are more than one loop, while for each loop are also available. Okay, so in next class we are going to discuss about the loop in the PHP. After that, the next thing is curly braces, and after that the value which we want to print echo, because you know that in associative array the key will be used for printing the value. So here the key will become, and after that $x dot and the value of the key which you want to pass or which you want to print. And at last we are here use the break keyword. Break keyword is basically used for break the line. What it means that when your output will become, for example, you want 3 line output. For example, the first one is BMW, second one is Toyota, and the last one is Audi. Okay, so these 3 lines you want to print, but if you don't use BR tag or break tag, then it will come in the continuous. It will come in the same line or in the single line. When you use break tag and with the help of break tag or because of the break tag, it will come in the next line. First of all BMW will become in the first line. After that, in the second line, Toyota will become, and in the last line or in the third line, the Audi will become. So this is the use of BR tag in HTML. After that, at last, where here you close the curly braces and question mark and greater than sign. So here our PHP section will be closed. And at last, you know that you have to close your body tag and also your HTML tag. So this is how you can run associative array with the help of loop. After that, the last one is multi-dimensional array, because you know that a multi-dimensional array is an array containing one or more arrays. What it means, the array that containing more than one array. In array we are using more than one array is called multi-dimensional arrays. PHP support multi-dimensional arrays that are 2, 3, 4, 5 or more level deep. However, arrays more than 3 level deep or are hard to manage for most people. So basically he says that what is multi-dimensional array? Multi-dimensional array is an array containing one or more array. That array that containing more than one array is called multi-dimensional array. He says that PHP support multi-dimensional array that are 2, 3, 4, 5 or more level. So basically these are the level in our PHP of array. You can also use 2-level array, 3-level array, 4-level array, 5-level array, or more deep level. It is up to you that how deep of the multi-dimensional array you want to go. After that, the next one is, however, arrays are more deeper than 3 level. It is hard to manage for most people. So what he says, whenever we use the array with more than 3 level or more than 3 level, we are going to create our array in the multi-dimensional, then it is hard to manage for most of the programmer. So to keep it prevent, we have to use 2-level array. So this is called multi-dimensional array. After that, the 2-dimensional array. A 2-dimensional array is an array of arrays. A 3-dimensional array is an arrays of arrays. So what it means, he says that what is 2-dimensional array? So from here, the name will be clear that the 2-dimensional array means array of arrays. What it means in the 2-dimensional array, the first one will be array and the second one will be array. The first value and the second value. Array of arrays are called 2-dimensional array. In the what is 3-dimensional array? Arrays of arrays of arrays. Array of arrays of arrays. So this is called 3-dimensional array. In 2-dimensional, the 2 array will become, and in the 3-dimensional, the 3 array will be used or created. So this is the main difference between the 2-dimensional and the 3-dimensional array. After that, in this example, we are displaying 3 rows and 3 columns. So these are our 3 rows and these are our 3 columns in which we are basically declare our values. So first of all, ID, name and salary. So the ID of the Sonia will be 1 and his salary is 4 lakh. And after that, the ID of the John is 2 and name is John and the salary is 5 lakh. And the last, the name is Rahul, ID is 3 and the salary is 3 lakh. So this is how we can using multiple values in our array. After that, we are going to discuss it with the help of an example. So here, what we are discussed, because in previous slide, we have created a table or a chart with the 3 rows and the 3 columns. The first column is ID, second one is name, and the last one is salary. Okay. So now we are going to discuss with the help of loop or with the help of PHP code. So first of all, less than question mark PHP, and here we are declaring a variable. $M will be the name of the variable, and here we are declaring an array equals to array. So our array start from here and end at here. So the first will be array, because we know that because in this we are using 3-dimensional array. 3 times we are passing the value. Array ID will be 1, name is Sonia, and here it is salary, which is 4 lakh. And after that array, the ID will be 2, name is John, and the salary is 5 lakh, or the salary which you have to use. After that array, name of the array, and after that the ID will be 3. At last, the name is Rahul and salary is 3 lakh. And here our array will be start and here our array will be closed, because you know that whenever you end any statement in the PHP, it is end with the semicolon. Okay, so whenever you end any statement in the PHP except for loop, you have to use semicolon, because without the semicolon it shows an error. So you have to use semicolon whenever you close or end any statement in the PHP. Okay, so after that, here we are using for loop for $row equals to 0 and semicolon $row less than 3 semicolon $row plus plus. What it means? It means that first of all, it is going to start from 0 and it is running till 3, and after that it will be increment one by one or step by step. Here first of all it will be started from 0. After that, from how far it is going till 3 or in the third value. After that it is going to increment one by one. So this is for the row, and after that this is called nested for. But it means that we are using for loop under the for loop. After that, the next one is for dollar columns. This one is for the row and this one is for the column. So here it is started from column 0 and it is going to run or tell it will reach the value 3, and after that it will be increment 1 by 1. After that, curly braces, and here we are going to print the value. So what will be we print? Echo our name of the array dollar m, and at last what the value which we want to print. So the value which are in the row and the value which are in the column. So when we run this program, we are going it is going to show this kind of output. So after that, here curly braces will be closed and at last echo and break. What it means? It means that it is going, first of all, the first line we print. After that, the second row will be print in the second line. So after that, the last curly braces will become and question mark and greater than sign. So this is how you can create a multi-dimensional or three-dimensional array in the PHP. Okay, so this is the concept of multi-dimensional array with the help of for loop. After that, the next thing is PHP sorting array. PHP sort function sort all the elements in the array, because you know that what is sorting. Sorting means that either you want to sort the element or the values in the ascending to descending order or descending to ascending order. It is up to you or up to your requirement and in which manner you want to sort your value. Either you want it in the ascending to descending, increment to decrement, or descending to ascending order, decrement to increment. So it is totally up to you. So basically he says that PHP sort function sort all the elements in an array. What it means that for array we are using array function, and for sorting what we are using sort function sort all the elements in array. Whenever we use sort function, then it means that we are going to sort all the elements that containing in our array. So this is the section, or this is the code which we are using to sort the array. After that, the first one is less than question mark PHP. After that, dollar season. So here we are declaring a variable. The name of the variable is season. After that, the next thing is we are using passing. We are creating an array. So here we are creating array, and these are the value which we are pass: summer, winter, spring, autumn, and at last we are closing our variable or array with the help of semicolon. After that, what we are using, we are going to use sort function, sort and the name of the variable. So here the name of our variable is dollar season. After that, semicolon. So now we are going to use for loop, for each loop in the. So here we are writing for each, and after that dollar season as dollar s. So this is how we can use our for each loop. Dollar season as dollar s. What it means that it is going to sort all the values which are come under the array. Okay, and at last what we print, we are printing dollar s, because here we assigning the value dollar season to dollar s. So now dollar s will be become dollar season, or dollar season will be become or act or behave like dollar s. After that, what we are going to use, we are going to print all the values which are come under the dollar s or dollar season. So after that, the curly braces will become. After that, the next one is question mark and the greater than sign. So what will happen when this code will be run? First of all, these values are going to be sorting order. After that, the first value will become autumn. After that, spring, summer, and at last winter will become. So this is how you can sort the values in an array, or this is how, or this is the method with the help of that method you are going to sort the arrays in your array. After that, the next thing is the element in an array can be sorted in alphabetical or numerical order, descending or ascending order. So these are the method which we are going to sort our array. The first one is we are also sorted it in the alphabetical order. You can sorted it in the alphabetical order ABC, or you can also sorted it into the numerical order or to the serial order. Numerical order means 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. It is up to you that in which method you want to sort it. After that, you are also sorting it with the help of descending or ascending order, either in the increment value or in the decrement value. It is totally up to you that in which manner you want to sort your array. So the first one is sort. So whenever we use sort function, then what it means that it is going to sort array in descending ascending order. Sort is basically used for sort an arrays in ascending order, ascending to descending order. First of all, the ascending value will become, after that at last it will be going to a descending value. The next one is r sort. R sort function basically used for sort our array in descending order. So it is start from the bottom to top. Thus ascending order will be start from the top to bottom. In the descending order will be start from the bottom to top. So whenever we write r sort, what it means that we are going to sort our array in the descending order. After that, the next one is a sort. A sort associative array in ascending order, but it means it is going to sort an associative array in ascending order according to the value. It is going to sort the array according to the value of our array. Okay, so this is called associative array. So whenever we write a sort array or a sort function, then what is the working of the a sort array is it is going to sort the array in according to its value. After that, k-sort basically is a type of associative array that is going to sort our array according to the key, because in the associative array we are using key. In the first we are using value, and also we are using the key. So k-sort array is basically used for sort our array according to the key. And the next one is AR sort associative array in descending order according to the value. Basically a sort array is basically used to sorting the array according to value in the ascending order, and AR sort array is used to sorting the value of the arrays in the descending order. Okay, and the next one is KR sort. So basically KR sort associative array in descending order according to the key. So basically whenever we want to sort the array according to the key and in the descending order, at that time we are going to use KR sort. K sort is simply used for sort the array from ascending to descending order according to the key. You have to remember it from the name of the array, K sort. K will be defined key and A will be defined value. So this is the shortcut you want to remember. You have to remember A will be assigned, or A will be show that you are using sort the array with the help of value. And whenever you are using K sort, then it means that you are going to sort the array according to the key. In the A sort, you are sort the array according to the value, and in the K sort, you are going to sort the array in the ascending order according to the key. AR sort is basically used for assign sorting the array according to the value, but the difference is between the AR sort and A sort is in A sort we are using ascending to descending order, but in the AR sort we are using descending to ascending order. And the next one is KR sort. So the major difference between K and KR sort is in K sort we are sorting our array in ascending order according to our key, but in the KR sort array we are going to sort our array according to the descending key, according to the key with the help of descending order. In this we are using descending to ascending order. So these are the basic functions which we are using under the sorting. So this is how we are using different kind of function in our array to sort our array. The first one is sort array. Next one is R sort function. Next one is A sort function. After that, K sort function, AR sort function, and the last one is KR sort function. So the major difference in sorting in sort function, we are simply sort our array in the ascending order. In R sort, we are simply sort our array in the descending order. So this is how it is going to be implement one by one. So basically the first method is which we are going to discuss is R sort array. With the help of example, we are going to discuss how we can sort our array with the help of R sort method, because you know that in the R sort method we are going to sort our array from descending to ascending order. In the simple sort array we are using, or we are sorting our array from ascending to descending order. So basically, first of all, we have to discuss our code from our PHP section. So here our PHP section will be start less than question mark PHP, and here you know that we are creating a variable. The name of our variable is dollar number and equals to array. So here we are passing the value to our array 4, 6, 2, 22, 11. So these are the random value which you can pass according to your choice. After passing the value to your array, the next method is you have to apply the method rsort function. After that rsort, and here you have to pass the name of your variable. After that dollar number, and at last it will be close with the semicolon. The next one is dollar ar length equals to count dollar number. What it means? It means that it is going to count all the value or numbers which are come under the number variable. All these values are going to be count. So how many values are these? Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 value will become. After that, counting the value, the next step is we are using for loop. So our for loop will be started from 0. It is started from here, and in here we are going to assign the value dollar x equals to 0. First of all, we are assigning the value. After that, the next thing is here we are assigning number to a double r length. So dollar x is less than a double r length. What it means? It means that it will be run till the array length will be find. After that, it is going to increment one by one. Next one is we are using curly braces, and the next one is we are going to print our value which are in our number. So here echo dollar number in the value which we are using. After that dollar x, because here we are using x, and at last we are using break tag. What it means? It means that our value will be not come in the single line, it will come in the one by line. After that echo beer curly braces, and our PHP section will be closed with the question mark and greater than sign. So whenever this code will be executed, this kind of output will be shown. So first of all, 22 will become, because in this we are going to sort our array in the descending to ascending order. So first of all, the bigger value will become that 22. After that 11, 6, 4, 2. So this is how we are using r sort array, because you know that r sort array is always sort an array from descending to ascending order. After that, the next example is a sort array. So basically you know that a sort array is going to sort your array from in ascending order with the help of value according to your value. So this is how, first of all, we have to create an array. So here we are going to create a variable. First of all, we are here creating a variable dollar age equals to array. Here array keyword will become. After that, the values which we are going to pass, because this is related with the associative array. But it means that we have to pass the value. We have to pass the value with the array. After that, a sort method will be applied. So a sort, under this in the round braces, the dollar age will become. So what it means? It means that it will sort all the values which are assigning under the dollar age variable. After that, the next thing is, in this we are using for each loop. For each loop basically comes under the PHP. For each loop is also work as the simple for loop. So with the help of for each loop, for each, after that dollar age as dollar x, because this is a sign of for assigning the value to the key. After that, the next thing is dollar x underscore value, and here colon curly braces will become, and at last we are going to print the value. The next one is echo br and question curly braces and question mark and greater than will sign will become. So this is our PHP section, main section which we are going to use. So it is going to sort our array according to the key or value. Okay, because you know that associate array is going to sort our array in the ascending order according to our value. So this will be the output whenever you run this program. Okay, after that, the next one is, this is before sorting, and this one is after sorting. So whenever you sort this program, this one will become, because it will going to sort the value. After that, the next thing is k-sort array. In the k-sort array, we are going to sort our array according to the key. Okay. So this is same like a sort, because in this we are using only key. So the first one is we have to create a variable which is named age. After that, array will be declared, and after that the value to be passed to the arrays. After that, k-sort method will be applied. So this is the main function. So here you can use the function according to you. Here you can use k-sort, a sort, kr sort, air sort. It is up to you that which kind of method you are using. After that, the next one is the for each loop will be used at here. With the help of for each loop, the first of all, we are going to pass the value and initialize the value. After that, we are going to increment or decrement it. After that, we are going to print the value. Echo key equals to dot dollar x value equals to dot dollar x underscore value. So this is how we are using k-sort array. Basically, you know that k-sort array is basically used for print the or sort the array in ascending order according to key. After that, here we are going to take the same example in the AR sort. In the AR sort, you know that in the AR sort, the array will be sorted in the descending order according to the value. So same concept. First of all, we are going to declare variable. After that, we are assigning the value to the array. And here the difference is here. The main difference is here. Here, if we are create a sort our array with the help of according to the key, according to the value, here the value will be changed. AR sort is used for sorting the array in the descending order according to the value. And here you can write k sort if you are using, if you are sorting the array according to the key, if you are sorting the array according to the value. So the main difference is here. After that, next the for each loop will become, and at last you are going to print the value under your array. At last you are going to print the array, and at last curly braces will become question mark and greater than sign. So this is how you can sort your array. The same concept will become under the k sort array. Kr sort is basically used for sort the array according to the key in descending order. So same is the concept. You have to declare the variable that is $age. After that, the assignment operator and the name of the array, and under that you are going to pass the value to your array. After that, here you are apply the method. So this is the section where you are applying different kind of method. Either you are using k sort, kr sort, a sort, ar sort, or a lon sort or r sort. It is up to you that which kind of method you have applied. After that, the next step is here we are using for each loop, and after that we are printing the value, and at last we are using break tag. So this is how we can use different kind of method or different kind of function in to sort our array. Okay, so this is all about today's class. Thank you so much.